Force Garages, better known today as MG, has signed an agreement with the Philippine Southeast Asian Games Organizing Committee, or PHISGOC and Mediapro Asia, to be the official mobility partner of the 30th Southeast Asian Games and the 10th ASEAN Para Games. As part of the sponsorship, 80 MG vehicles will feature with the 30th SEA Games logo, and these will be used to ferry athletes and teams to and from games.
We're very happy and we're very proud to be a participant and a major sponsor to provide the cars that will be used by the organizers and the athletes and the participants of the 30th Southeast Asian Games.
These special edition MG 30th SEA Games edition vehicles will be seen in various parts of the country during the much-awaited multi-sport biennial event. With this partnership, MG supports all the athletes participating in the 30th SEA Games.
The organizing committee will be distributing the RX-5. This is our 5-seater SUV. They'll be distributing to the different participants, to the different organizers, and to the athletes because this is going to be in all areas, in all venues. The RX-5 really represents what an athlete is all about. Somebody who wants to go outdoors, who needs space, who needs comfort as well. And the style is very young. And it really represents everything that determined athletes should be having. Thank you very much for having MG as part of the 30th Southeast Asian Games. We're very proud to be your official mobility partner, and we wish you all the luck. We wish you all the safety, and we know that you'll have a comfortable drive as you go from one venue to another. Thank you very much.